Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, I want to share a mouth-watering Sichuan-style pepper steak. What's special about this recipe is the use of roasted peppers, which introduces a smoky, fiery flavor and makes this dish incredibly delicious. Please hit the like button and let's get started. Slice the beef into 1/8 of an inch thick slices. I'm using top sirloin fillet, but beef chuck and flank steak also work. Season the beef with 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Mix well. Make sure you get in between each slices and allow the seasonings to infuse evenly. Add a drizzle of cooking oil and mix to coat the beef. This will separate the meat slices so they don't stick together when stir-frying. Let it sit for 15 minutes. While waiting, we can roast the chili peppers. Stick the chilies onto 2 skewers and roast them over open flame. Just need about 2 minutes on each side and the surface should be burned. If you don't have a gas stove, you can use a torch to roast the peppers until the skin becomes burned. Just make sure the plate under the chili pepper is heat-proof. Now, we're going to take a paring knife and scrub off the black skin. Otherwise, the dish will taste bitter. However, you don't have to remove the black skin completely because we want to retain the roasty flavor. Finally, dice the peppers. The type of pepper that I use is mouth-burning spicy. If you can't tolerate the heat, you can use bell pepper instead. Besides that, you will also need 4 Thai bird-eye chilies, diced, and 4 cloves of garlic, also diced. Again, if you don't eat spicy food, you can replace the Thai bird-eye chilies with red bell pepper to add a pop of color to the dish. Now, we're going to put together the stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoon of brown sugar, ½ tablespoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and set it aside. The most crucial part of this recipe is turning the heat to maximum and preheat the wok until smoking hot. High heat helps the oil to form a non-stick layer at the bottom of the wok. Also, when the meat touches the hot metal, it sears immediately and creates beautiful Maillard reactions and smoky flavors. That is the secret to perfect Chinese stir-fry. The wok is super hot, so in about 2 minutes, all the meat should be nicely charred. Push it to the side and let the oil run to one side. Add the minced garlic and Thai bird-eye chilies. Stir until fragrant. Add the roasted chili pepper and mix with the beef thoroughly. The stir-fry sauce contains cornstarch, so you should mix it well before pouring it into the wok. Give it a final toss and you're done. That's it. So easy. I love tender succulent beef coated in a savory, spicy sauce, yet balanced with a hint of sweetness from the brown sugar. The smoky pepper adds a rustic charm that pairs wonderfully with fluffy white rice. I truly hope you give this a try soon and you will fall in love with it. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Before you go, I want to promote my carbon steel wok. I have been using it for 6 years now because I stand for my own brand, Souped Up Recipes. Carbon steel wok is the must-have cookware in Chinese cuisine. It's non-stick but has no Teflon coating, so you can use metal utensils in it without worrying about scratching. Its lightweight allows thorough toss and stir. It can also sustain super high temperature without damage, so you can achieve the restaurant wok cake effect and make perfect stir-fry dishes. I'll link this wok in the description. Please support me and go check it out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!